Introduction. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an eye-opening book that has transformed the way many people think about health and nutrition. How Not to Die by Michael Greger. The purpose of this video is to explore the key concepts from this groundbreaking work and how they can empower you to take charge of your health through dietary choices. In How Not to Die, Dr. Greger emphasizes the critical role that our diet plays in preventing chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. Understanding this connection is vital as it can lead to a healthier, longer life. By making informed food choices, we can significantly reduce our risk of these diseases and improve our overall well-being. Throughout this video, we promise to share practical insights and actionable dietary changes that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you're looking to enhance your current diet or completely overhaul your eating habits, we've got you covered. So, stick around as we unpack the wisdom of Dr. Greger and discover how simple changes can lead to profound health benefits. Let's get started on this journey to better health together. Understanding the book's premise. In How Not to Die, Michael Greger presents a compelling argument about the profound connection between diet and chronic diseases. The foundational concept of the book is that many of the leading causes of death, such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers, can be significantly influenced by what we eat. Greger emphasizes that our dietary choices are not just about maintaining a healthy weight, they are crucial in preventing and even reversing these diseases. One of the key ideas introduced in the book is the concept of plant-based nutrition as a powerful preventive measure. Greger advocates for a diet rich in whole, plant-based foods, which are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber. This approach not only supports overall health, but also helps combat inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to chronic illnesses. What sets How Not to Die apart is the robust scientific research backing its claims. Greger meticulously cites numerous studies that demonstrate the effectiveness of a plant-based diet in reducing disease risk. By grounding his recommendations in evidence, he empowers readers to make informed choices about their health. This book serves as a vital resource for anyone looking to understand the life-changing impact of nutrition on well-being. Key diseases. Addressed in How Not to Die, Michael Greger highlights several major diseases that are prevalent in today's society, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. These conditions are not only leading causes of death, but also significantly impact the quality of life for millions of people. For instance, heart disease remains the #1 killer in the United States, accounting for approximately 697,000 deaths each year. Greger emphasizes that lifestyle changes, particularly dietary modifications, can play a crucial role in mitigating these health risks. By adopting a plant-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, individuals can lower their cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall heart health. Similarly, studies show that a whole food plant-based diet can help manage and even reverse type 2 diabetes, a condition affecting over 34 million Americans. Cancer is another major focus of the book, with Greger discussing how certain dietary choices can influence cancer risk. For example, research indicates that a diet high in processed meats can increase the likelihood of developing colorectal cancer. By understanding these connections and making informed dietary choices, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of these diseases and enhance their overall health. The statistics are clear. Lifestyle changes can lead to life-saving outcomes. Practical dietary recommendations. In How Not to Die, Michael Greger provides a wealth of practical dietary recommendations aimed at promoting health and longevity. One of the central themes of the book is the importance of whole foods and plant-based diets. Gregor advocates for a diet that prioritizes unprocessed, nutrient-dense foods, which are essential for optimal health. Specific foods that he highlights include leafy greens, berries, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are packed with vitamins and minerals, while berries are rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats and protein, contributing to heart health and satiety. Legumes, including beans and lentils, are excellent sources of fiber and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Gregor encourages viewers to incorporate these foods into their meals in creative ways. For example, adding a handful of spinach to smoothies, snacking on a mix of nuts and dried fruits, or including beans in salads and soups can make a significant difference in overall nutrition. By embracing these dietary changes, individuals can not only enhance their health but also enjoy delicious and satisfying meals. Making these small adjustments can lead to profound benefits for your well-being. Lifestyle changes beyond diet. In How Not to Die, Michael Greger emphasizes that achieving optimal health goes beyond just dietary choices. While nutrition is crucial, incorporating additional lifestyle changes can significantly enhance overall well-being. One key aspect he discusses is the role of exercise and physical activity. Regular physical activity not only helps maintain a healthy weight, but also reduces the risk of chronic diseases, boosts mood, and improves cardiovascular health. Greger recommends aiming for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week, which can include activities like walking, cycling, or swimming. Another important element highlighted in the book is mental well-being and stress management. Greger underscores the impact that stress can have on physical health, linking it to various diseases. Practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and yoga can help manage stress levels and promote mental clarity. Prioritizing mental health is essential for a balanced lifestyle. Greger encourages viewers to adopt a holistic approach to health, recognizing that physical, mental, and emotional well-being are interconnected. By integrating exercise, stress management techniques, and a nutritious diet, individuals can create a comprehensive health plan that supports longevity and vitality. Embracing these lifestyle changes can lead to a more fulfilling and healthier life, empowering you to thrive in every aspect. Success stories and testimonials. In How Not to Die, Michael Greger shares numerous inspiring stories of individuals who have transformed their health by following the book's advice. One remarkable example is a man who struggled with obesity and type 2 diabetes for years. After adopting a whole food, plant-based diet, he not only lost significant weight, but also managed to reverse his diabetes, reducing his reliance on medication. His story illustrates the profound impact that dietary changes can have on health and well-being. Another inspiring testimonial comes from a woman who faced severe heart issues. After incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into her meals, she experienced a dramatic improvement in her cardiovascular health. Her cholesterol levels dropped and she regained her energy, allowing her to enjoy life to the fullest. These real-life examples highlight how making informed dietary choices can lead to remarkable health transformations. As you listen to these success stories, we encourage you to envision your own potential for change. Imagine how adopting a healthier lifestyle could enhance your quality of life, boost your energy levels, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. By taking small, actionable steps inspired by these testimonials, you too can embark on a journey toward better health and well-being. Your success story could be next. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of How Not to Die, it's essential to reiterate the key takeaways from this impactful book. One of the most significant points is the undeniable importance of diet in preventing chronic diseases. By understanding the connection between what we eat and our overall health, we can make informed choices that lead to a longer, healthier life. We encourage you to take actionable steps towards healthier eating. Start by incorporating more whole, plant-based foods into your meals and experiment with new recipes that excite your palate. Remember, even small changes can lead to significant improvements in your health over time. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more content on health and nutrition. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together we can spread the message of healthy living and empower others to take charge of their well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video as we continue to explore ways to enhance our health and quality of life.